Hi, juniors. This is Mrs. Tucker. Long time no talk. I wanted to go ahead and review with you the Gallery Walk one-pager. Or the college one-pager gallery walk, since that's how I titled it, because it is a little bit different since you are at home. Traditionally, a gallery walk is something we would put these posters up around the room, and then you guys would walk around the room, and we would be doing this in class. But since you guys are at home, I wanted you to be able to review and understand. So you're going to notice, guys, that the posters that were turned in on time, because I don't have everybody's, are at the bottom of this handout. So if you scroll down, you'll see there's a poster, so you'll go all the way. Those are the posters that were submitted. The first thing I want you to do is leave one positive comment under each poster, and try to be thoughtful with your comments, guys. So things like nice poster, nice poster, nice poster, that doesn't really help the student find ways or see what they did well. So like for the first poster, you're going to notice you're going to be able to come down here. If I click my mouse, I know right now it's center justified, left justified, and I just might put I like the contrast of colors with the black, teal, and white. Makes me want to stop and read your poster. Okay, so again, something that they can use that was like, hey, I'm glad that they liked how I did that. So for each poster, and you're going to say, but Mrs. Tucker, each poster? Yes, each poster, because that's what we did in class. You need to leave one comment. Now you're going to notice as you're going, this is going to start moving. It's okay if it shifts the posters. It is going to shift the posters down. That's all right, because it's still on the same document, guys. Next, you're going to do, out of all of the posters, I want you to pick 3. I want you to pick any 3. I don't care what they are. And you're going to get a piece of paper. Now, you'll notice I have Cornell note paper in front of me because it already has one column. But you're going to pick 3 colleges. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 3 columns. Okay? So if you notice, I folded the paper. And so I've got one column, another column, and another column. So this first column is going to be for one college. So if I pick Texas Tech as my first college, all the information on Texas Tech will go here. The second one, I might pick University of Houston. So University of Houston is here in the middle. Third one might be Colorado Mesa. Here's Colorado Mesa, okay? So that's what I mean when I say to do that. So it says you're going to pick, and each column should represent one college. Go back to each poster, write down at least 5 key pieces of information from that poster. And guys, this part, we're not talking about colors, we're not talking about pictures. I want you to look for key pieces of information that would actually help you decide if this were a good college for you. So definitely the cost, because cost is something big that we look at. Definitely would look at possibly population, because if you've lived in Alvin and only gone to Alvin High School, I saw a few schools have multiple thousands. You like that? A lot of people that go there compared to the size of Alvin High School. And then of course, academic requirements. Do you meet, or do they meet your academic needs? Okay. When you have the 3 schools though, you want to try to write down the same 5 pieces of information. So if I'm looking at cost, I want to look at cost on my first school, my second school, my third school. Now it is possible that not each poster has the exact same pieces of information, so you might have to write something a little different. Then guys, at the bottom of your piece of paper, what I suggest that you do, what you have to do is, I want you, out of just the 3 you picked, which one of these 3 schools would be the best fit for you? Explain why it's a good fit for you. What does it say? What does it show? What is it based upon what you want and need? And what I would do, guys, actually for 2 through 5, if you go here to File and you click on New Document, So I'm going to open a new Google Doc, and if you'll notice, I'm going to go to Insert, and then I'm going to go to Table, okay? I'm going to go to Table, and you'll notice these boxes pop up. So I need 3 columns, so I'm going to go over 3, and then I have to write 5 pieces of information, guys, but I want 1 extra line for the name of the school. So I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then notice, so now I can put University of Houston, I can put Texas Tech, I can put Colorado Mesa University, and then this would be piece 1 that they're this what I'm checking, piece 2, piece 3, and then if I just click down here, then I can write, I think of these out of these 3 schools, comma, the one that is the best fit for me would be blank, 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 because, all right? So this is something you can do if you're the type, which many of you have been just writing on pieces of paper and turning in pictures. I'm perfectly fine with that as well. But I wanted you to understand what the gallery walk, you do not have to print these. I have them all here for you. You just need to scroll down all the way to the bottom. And if you haven't turned yours in, hopefully this will give you some ideas on how you need to make your poster look. All right, guys, good luck. Please reach out if you have questions. Bye-bye.